The Cheerios Playbook. Fill in the missing Cheerios. Look, one car has no wheels. Can you fix it? Can you put Cheerios in the empty purple circles? The yellow fish needs bubbles. Can you find some for him? One bear is missing her pajama buttons. Can you add some? A Cheerios checkerboard. Can you put Cheerios on all the red squares? Three mice can't see without their glasses. Can you help them? Thanks.